Hi, I'm Stephanie Townrow. I'm the Director of Education and Public Programs at Lancaster History, and I'm here to talk to you today about our new fall colloquium lineup. Tickets just went on sale on May 1st for our 4 fall Regional History Colloquia. We'll have one a month from September through December, and we have a fantastic lineup this fall. On September 19th, our first author is Dr. Martha S. Jones. She's coming to us from Johns Hopkins. She just wrote this fabulous book called Birthright Citizens about the history of citizenship. It's a Baltimore-based story about people of color grappling with and fighting for their rights as U.S. citizens, which ultimately culminated, of course, in the 14th Amendment, which has ties to Lancaster because of Congressman Thaddeus Stevens. We're really excited to host Dr. Jones. This book has gotten a lot of acclaim. She just won the OAH Legacy Foundation Award, and so we're really thrilled to have her join us in September. In October, we have an author, Marta McDowell, coming to talk about her book, All the President's Gardens. Something you may not know is that Harriet Lane, James Buchanan's niece and First Lady, had a major role in the establishment of some conservancies in the White House, and she had a major role in establishing this greenhouse on the west wing of the White House. So Marta's book talks about several different gardens over the course of White House history, and she'll be focusing on Harriet Lane's contributions to the White House gardens. We highly recommend this lecture. It's going to be really fabulous. In November, we have a scholar from Penn State, Kathleen Cahill. She'll be talking about Native American women's suffrage and their fight in the suffrage movement. This is really timely because in 2020 we'll be celebrating the anniversary of the suffrage amendment, and Dr. Cahill will walk us through the Native Americans women's role in this amendment. In December, we're moving on to another amendment, the First Amendment, and that amendment relates to the freedom of speech. Stephen D. Solomon from NYU will be here to discuss his book, Revolutionary Dissent. In this book, he examines the history of the First Amendment and the founders' views on free speech, which is rooted in their views on dissent and dissent against their government. And he looks at printed speech, spoken word, and even actions that also stem from the First Amendment. So it's going to be a really fascinating talk. And of course, we had many colonial protests and movements in Lancaster that Dr. Solomon will be able to pull from. So we're really looking forward to this lineup. All the tickets are available on our website right now. These events do tend to sell out, so we recommend you buy your tickets ahead of time. I use the word buy, but they're completely free, so it's just a matter of making a reservation, and you can do that online at lancasterhistory.org. We hope to see you at all these different fall colloquia, and until then, I'll see you later.